Good morning. I'm Mark from LogicStar, and I wanted to share another bug that our LogicStar agent found and fixed with you guys. So let's first have a look at the bug description. And it says, if we cancel a task with dependencies, but sets cancel enablers to false, then we remove this task from the dependencies list, but not from the reverse mapping from the enables list. So let's have a look if this is actually a real bug. For this, we look at the unit test our LogicStar agent generated. And here you can see it indeed creates two tasks, an enabler and a dependent, schedules them, cancels here the dependent task, and then asserts down here that this dependent task does not appear in the enabled list of the enablers anymore. And we see before our fix is applied here, this test, and indeed another one fail. And if you look at why they fail, to convince us that this is indeed a real bug, we see that indeed exactly the assertion I just showed you fails. If we look at the test output after the fix, we see all tests passed. So our fix seems to address this problem. It also passes 36 other tests and has a 92% coverage. So let's have a quick look at the fix. And indeed here we first get all enablers, then check the enables list of all of these enablers and clean it up and make some minor adjustments in a few other places where we now reuse the retrieved enablers from up here instead of retrieving them again. So I went right ahead and created a pull request before I started this recording and already reviewed it. But here we see again a short summary of the problem, the fix, the test results, and the files that we edited. And I kicked it off with auto merge enabled. So since it's got merged, it looks like all the CI passed. So this is it. It only took us a few minutes to find and fix this bug. Let me know what you think and go and try out LogicStar.